Hello everyone, spring is springing. Look at this gorgeous Japanese quince blossom. It's absolutely beautiful. And the happy birds are singing. And I'm on my way inside the park to find a new family that I spotted yesterday. Somebody posted that there's new hatchlings. So let's go see them. Okay, I'm at one of the side ponds and I have spotted some littlings there. Come closer, babies. I'm not sure if it's the same mallard duck family. Yesterday somebody posted a video and I counted 12 ducklings and now I can only see 3 here. So I'm hoping that their numbers have not reduced that drastically overnight. But it's a new family, but I have no idea. I'll stay around for a bit and see. Where are your parents? Are these your... I can only see the 3 still. Huh? They look like maybe a couple of days old. Very fast, going all over the place. They're hard to follow, but they're so cute. There. Canada is watching them. There. They blend in so well with the vegetation. Hello, little brave one. Do you want to come out? Oh, you're just too cute. It's very steep here. I don't know if you can make it out. You need to find a different exit. But please stick with your siblings. And I think this might be Mama. They're like little darts. Don't know if you can hear their little voices. Okay, they've gone to the far end, so they're harder to film. Well, I'm happy to have seen them, and I'm gonna go around and see if there's any others. Stay safe, little ones. Oh. I love this spot under the big willow tree. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Okay, and here's the lovely Egyptian goose family. These babies now are almost grown. Look at you all with your beautiful feathers. They're there with Mom, and Daddy's here to the left, keeping an eye on the world. They're so beautiful. Don't know if you can see the detail on their feathers. They're still forming, but there's already a lot there to be seen. Okay, you bunch stay safe as well. Hello, beautiful. Don't tell me that this silly coot is chasing you. Look, look, look. It's definitely chasing that female duck. Yay! You naughty! I've not spotted any other littlings. I'm still gonna go around. They might be hiding somewhere. And I'm really hoping it's not the one I mentioned that had 12. And now I could only see 3. Hi guys. What you up to? Chilling? More beautiful blossom. And it cleared because up till about an hour ago it was quite overcast, so it's nice to see the blue sky. Well, I think I'll end the video here. If I do find other new families, I'll let them in. Until next time, bye! Okay, it looks like this is the family I originally saw yesterday. They're all over, these little darlings. I can't count how many there are yet. There's Mama. How many are you? I'm hoping they will come closer, and in the meantime let's see some bunch of beautiful male ducks who are being cheeky. One of them is here, far away from Mom and the others. What you doing? Go back to your family. You've come away adventuring on your own, huh? It looks like it's trying to catch flies and stuff. Okay, I'm not managing to capture all of them because they're all over. Okay, they're coming closer this way. Oh, look at you. Little Speedy Gonzaleses. Right, they came from there. The little adventurous one is still coming, but most of them are now here, and they are smaller than the original 3 I've seen. So, yep. Oh, hello cuteness. Hello little gorgeous one. You crossed the stream. They're all over the place, and Mama is not calling them. They're now on the far end. I don't know if that mallard female is a first-time mom. I think she might be, because it doesn't look like she really knows what to do with all these kids. Okay, I'm glad I have managed to see you guys. I counted 11, but they're all over, so I'm not sure if the 12 are alive or not. Hello, look who's by me. Hello, beautiful. I remember you as a baby from last year. You were super cute too. Oh, little ones, little ones. There we go. Go on, get together. Okay, this is the closest. Oh, look at those little feet. Okay, they're all in the bramble underneath it. Okay, stay safe, family. I hope to see you next week. Bye. That must be the little adventurer. Okay, bye for good for now.